Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So, anyways, on the Aussie dollar monthly, I do think that the more likely scenario now is that it will go down, probably grab all these lows before it does make a move to the upside. But I'm honestly still not ruling out the possibility that this does just keep on going up and eventually take out this high like we were originally planned. Anyways, taking it down to the weekly time frame, definitely looks like a double three type pattern. You know, one, two, three waves down, one, two, three waves up. Normally that leads to either one, two, three waves down for like a WXY, or that leads to one, two, three, four, five waves down for more of a traditional ABC shape. Either way, let's take a look at it down on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely do have a break of structure to the upside now, so I definitely do think we need to be looking for longs. I think this proves that this whole move down is over. Like I was explaining on the monthly, this is either a wave A of a wave Y, or this is a wave 1 of a wave C, which means that this is either a wave B of Y, or it's a wave 2 of wave C. It's exactly the same trading strategy, which would be looking for longs primarily up to one of these Fibonacci levels for either an ABC of B or an ABC of 2 before it actually does make another push down for a wave C or a wave 3. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we had a nice break of structure. Now we're pulling back down below, beyond structure. Now this is potentially going to be a really good setup, which probably will not even happen this week because it's most likely going to have to make three waves down. So I would expect this to be a trade for next week, but this is potentially going to be a really nice trading opportunity to potentially take this up to maybe like the 50 or the 61% Fibonacci retracement of this whole move down for this ABC of B or this ABC of 2. Let's keep going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, definitely in a pullback right now. As you can see, the pullback to me definitely looks more like a trend also, looks more like a wave A. At some point, we probably will start drifting up, but that move up is not going to be the continuation of the uptrend most likely. Most likely it's going to be a wave B, and most likely it's going to be a wave C later on. Like I was saying, probably more likely this is going to be take us into next week sometime. Maybe this will go down to the 50 to 61% of this whole move up before we actually do get the end of this wave B or the end of this wave 2 for the continuation up for the wave C or 3. I think it's more likely this is an ABC correction, which this should be an ABC of B, but you never can rule out the possibility that it turns into a 1, 2, 3 like I was explaining on the monthly. It could always just continue the uptrend, you never know, which is why I love to leave my options open. I call it an A or a 1, I call it a B or a 2, and I call it a 3 or a C, so that way I don't subconsciously label it and then ignore evidence to the contrary. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked out here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.